Best RC plane. If you're looking for the best RC plane for beginners, kids, or casual flying, you're in the right place. A good RC airplane should be easy to control, durable enough to handle a few rough landings, and fun enough to keep you flying for hours. Some models are designed for complete beginners, while others add extra features like stunt flying, gyro stabilization, and multiple flight modes. In this video, we're counting down the best RC planes available right now, based on ease of use, flight stability, build quality, and overall value. Whether you want a simple trainer plane or a more exciting warbird-style aircraft, there's something here for every skill level. Let's get started and find the RC plane that's worth your money and the most fun to fly. Number 5. Hawkswork 2CH RC Airplane. Color: red. If you're looking for a beginner-friendly RC airplane, the Hawkswork 2CH RC Airplane is one of those models that feels approachable right from the first flight. It comes ready to fly, so you don't have to spend time assembling complicated parts before getting started. What stands out most is how lightweight and forgiving it feels. The foam construction helps the plane handle small bumps and rough landings better than many harder plastic models. The built-in self-stabilization system also makes learning much less intimidating, especially for kids or adults trying an RC airplane for the first time. The controller is simple, with 4-direction control that keeps the experience easy to understand. The 2.4 GHz radio system is useful if multiple planes are flying nearby because it helps reduce interference between controllers. This is not a plane for advanced aerobatics or high-speed flying. It's designed for smooth outdoor flights and basic flight practice. Windy conditions can still make flying more challenging, so calmer weather is the better choice. Overall, I think this is a solid first RC glider for beginners who want something simple, durable, and easy to learn with. Pros: easy for beginners to learn and control. Lightweight foam body handles minor crashes well. Ready-to-fly setup is convenient. Cons: limited control compared with advanced RC airplanes. Best suited for calm outdoor conditions. Not intended for experienced hobby pilots. Specs and configurations. 2-channel remote control airplane. 2.4 GHz radio system. Built-in self-stabilization. Foam construction. Includes controller, 2 batteries, spare propellers, USB charging cable, and manual. Number 4. Hawkswork F-22 RC Glider. Color: multicolor. Weight: 450 g. The Hawkswork F-22 RC Glider is the kind of RC plane that makes learning to fly feel much less stressful. Right away, the ready-to-fly setup is a big advantage because you can spend more time flying and less time figuring out assembly. One thing I noticed is that the lightweight foam design feels very beginner-friendly. Small mistakes during takeoff or landing are less intimidating, and the foam body is better at handling minor crashes than many rigid models. The built-in self-stabilization system also helps keep the plane more manageable while you're learning basic flight control. The 2-channel controller keeps the control simple, which is great for younger users or anyone completely new to RC aircraft. The 2.4 GHz radio system is useful because multiple planes can operate in the same area without interfering with each other. This is definitely designed for outdoor flying, and calmer weather will give the best experience. More experienced RC hobbyists may eventually want a plane with more advanced controls, but that's not really the purpose of this model. Overall, I think it's a solid first RC airplane for kids and beginners who want an easy, durable, and enjoyable introduction to RC flying. Pros: easy for beginners to learn and control. Foam construction helps absorb light impacts. Ready-to-fly design is convenient. Cons: limited control compared with advanced RC planes. Best performance comes in calm outdoor conditions. Experienced pilots may outgrow it quickly. Specs and configurations. 2-channel remote control airplane. 2.4 GHz radio control system. Built-in self-stabilization. Foam airframe. Includes controller, 2 3.7V 300 mAh batteries, spare propellers, USB charging cable, glue, and user manual. Number 3. Hawkswork P-51D Mustang. Color: 3CH blue. The Hawkswork P-51D Mustang is a great option if you want an RC airplane that looks like a classic warbird but is still friendly for beginners. The first thing that stands out is the 3-channel control system, which gives a little more flying freedom than a basic 2-channel trainer without becoming overly complicated. The built-in 6-axis gyro stabilization makes a noticeable difference during flight. It helps the plane stay more controlled, which can reduce the frustration that many new pilots experience during their first few flights. I also like that it offers both hand launch and taxi takeoff modes, adding some variety once you become comfortable with the basics. The lightweight EPP foam construction is another strong point. It feels durable enough to handle the occasional rough landing or minor crash, which is almost inevitable when learning. Having 2 rechargeable batteries is convenient because it gives longer flying sessions before needing to recharge. This model is designed for outdoor flying, and calmer weather will usually produce the best results. It is not a high-performance aerobatic plane, but it delivers a fun and approachable flying experience. Overall, I think it is a solid beginner RC warbird with a classic design and useful stabilization features. Pros: 6-axis gyro helps keep flight stable. 2 takeoff modes add flexibility. Durable EPP foam construction handles light impacts well. Cons: outdoor performance depends on weather conditions. 3-channel control is still limited for advanced flying. Experienced RC pilots may want more maneuverability. Specs and configurations: 3-channel remote control airplane. 6-axis gyro stabilization. 2.4 GHz radio control system. High and low speed modes. EPP foam airframe. Includes remote control, rechargeable batteries, charger, screwdrivers, and accessories. Number 2. Hawkswork 3CH Spitfire. Color: green. Weight: 59 g. The Hawkswork 3CH Spitfire is a beginner-friendly RC warbird that combines a classic fighter plane design with features that make learning much easier. The Spitfire styling gives it a more realistic look than a basic trainer, which adds to the fun during outdoor flights. What makes this model approachable is the built-in 6-axis gyro stabilization. It helps keep the plane steadier in the air, so new pilots can focus on learning basic controls instead of constantly fighting instability. The 3-channel control setup also provides a more engaging flying experience than a simple 2-channel glider. I like that it offers 2 takeoff methods, hand launch and taxi takeoff. That gives beginners a chance to practice different launch techniques as their confidence improves. The lightweight EPP foam construction is another advantage because it can handle the occasional bump or rough landing better than many heavier RC planes. With 2 rechargeable batteries included, you get longer flying sessions without needing to stop after a short flight. Like most lightweight RC airplanes, it performs best outdoors in relatively calm conditions. Overall, I think this is a fun and practical first warbird for beginners who want easy handling with a classic aviation design. Pros: 6-axis gyro makes flying easier for beginners. 2 takeoff modes add variety and practice options. Lightweight EPP foam construction helps absorb minor impacts. Cons: best performance comes in calm weather. Not designed for advanced aerobatic flying. 3-channel control is less capable than higher-end RC models. Specs and configurations: 3-channel remote control airplane. 6-axis gyro stabilization. 2.4 GHz radio control system. Dual brushed motors. EPP foam airframe. Includes remote control, 2 rechargeable batteries, charger, and screwdriver. Number 1. SYMA X550 RC plane. Color: green. The SYMA X550 RC plane is a fun step up from a basic beginner glider because it adds stunt flying and 4-channel control without becoming overly intimidating. Right away, the tilt-rotor design gives it a different look and a slightly more engaging flying experience than many traditional RC trainer planes. What I like most is how approachable it feels for new pilots. 1 key takeoff and landing can make the first few flights much less stressful, and the high and low speed modes let you start slowly before trying faster flights. The controls feel more natural than a simple 2-channel airplane, which helps when practicing turns and direction changes. The stunt features are the main attraction here. It can perform 360-degree flips, spins, climbing spins, circles, and jump-style maneuvers, which keeps the plane entertaining even after you've learned the basics. It works best in calm conditions, especially if you're still learning. Because this model focuses on stunt flying, it is not intended to be a realistic scale warbird trainer. But for kids and beginners who want something playful and easy to operate, it offers a good balance of learning and fun. Overall, I think the X550 is a solid beginner-friendly stunt RC airplane with enough features to keep new pilots interested. Pros: 1. Key takeoff and landing are beginner-friendly. 4. Channel control offers smoother steering and better maneuverability. Multiple stunt flight modes add fun and variety. Cons: best performance comes in calm weather. Plastic construction may not absorb impacts like foam models. Stunt-focused design is less realistic than scale trainer airplanes. Specs and configurations. 4. Channel remote control airplane. Tilt-rotor aircraft design. High and low speed modes. 1. Key takeoff and landing. Multiple stunt flight modes including flips, spins, circles, and jumps. Rechargeable battery included.